Hello everybody, let me show you how to make a payment on an invoice. So here I'm in my email. If you get an invoice, it'll be something like this. Hello, you can view your invoice or make a payment here. That'll take you to your online profile. So let's try that. I'm going to click there. It'll show you here open tickets, open invoices, whatever the information, but here we're going to go to this invoice. Click it there. And if you want to see the invoice, you can click here and look at it, print it, download it, whatever you want to do with that. And if you want to pay it, so you're going to see here, check out with PayPal, and you might say I don't want to pay with PayPal, but click it anyways because PayPal is going to process it, but you can just pay with a straight credit card. So as you see here, you have pay with PayPal if you want to log in, but you can come down here. So it's either going to be login or pay with a debit or credit card. So if you click there, you're just going to get your typical, form, credit card number, address, billing, blah, 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 and continue paying. So that's how to pay with just a straight up credit card, MasterCard, Visa, Amex. And even though it says PayPal, PayPal is processing the payment regardless, but you do not need to have a PayPal account to make the payment. So that's how to make a payment on an invoice.